which is question number 51. Let's read it. Match the following hydrides given in column 1 with their characteristics given in column 2. Let's start this question, students. First, we are given with LaH 2.87. So, student, it is very clear that this is an interstitial hydride, and interstitial hydrides does not hold law of constant composition, as these are non-stoichiometric hydrides. That means A is related with R. Moving to next, B, FeH2. Students, since we know that Fe belongs to group 8, and we already know that the metals of group 7, 8 and 9 do not form hydrides. That means B is related with Q. Moving to next, C, KH. Student, we all know that KH is an ionic hydride, and ionic hydride are non-volatile and non-conducting solid. That means C is related with P. Moving to last, D, H2O. Student, H2O is a molecular hydride which behaves as a Lewis base because of the lone pair present on oxygen atom. That means D is related to S. So we can easily identify the correct option. Here the correct answer is option number 4. A is related to R, B is related to Q, C is related to P, and D is related to S. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question, students, which is 52. Element with highest density among the following is. Student, we all know that generally on moving down the group, the density increases. So here for alkali metals, I'm writing the order of density. So order of density is cesium followed by sodium followed by potassium, and the least density is of lithium. That means highest density is of option number 4, cesium. Here you have to learn the relation between potassium and sodium. The density of sodium is more than that of potassium. This is something very important you have to learn. Moving to the next question, which is question number 53. Let's read it. Sodium on combustion with access of air mainly gives. Student, sodium forms stable peroxides on reaction with air. So I'm writing the reaction. Na on reaction with oxygen forms Na2O2, which is a peroxide. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Moving to next question, which is question number 54. Let's read it. The compound which has the highest melting point among the following is. Students, for this question we need to know that higher the lattice enthalpy, higher will be the melting point. I'm writing the order of melting point. The order of melting point is highest is for sodium fluoride, then we have NaCl, then we have NaBr, and least is for NaI. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Proceeding to next question, which is question number 55. Let's read the question. Least basic oxide among the following is. Student, we all need to know that higher the metallic nature, more will be the basic character of their oxides. And we also need to know that as we go down the group in the periodic table, as the metallic nature of the element increases, the basic character of its oxides also increases. Here, beryllium oxide is amphoteric, or we can say that is least basic. That means the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to next.